You're about to make cold calls and you decided you're going to wing it instead of creating a script, right? Here are 4 cold calling mistakes you'll make because you're not prepared. And be sure to keep watching because there's a mind blower one at the end. Hi, I'm your savvy cold call girl, so listen up and take control and be a boss about cold calling. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Christine Harrington, the savvy sales lady with over 4 decades of selling, and I'm here to help you close deals. Bam! Mistake number 1. You'll tell the prospect all about the benefits and features of the product or service you're selling. Right? Wrong. Telling is selling. It's too soon to pitch. The buyer doesn't care because they don't even know you. Your only call goal is to set an appointment for a sales conversation at either a future face-to-face meeting or over Zoom. Mistake 2. You'll try to set up an appointment too soon into the call. Yes, you will. Asking too soon will signal to the prospect you're a rookie caller. More hang-ups occur when pushing too soon. Mistake number 3. You'll ask a few questions and then start selling. No, stop selling. Have a conversation and ask at least 5 to 8 questions during the call. Questions will loosen up the prospect to talk, which will inspire interest in the conversation. It will also help you determine if the prospect is a good fit for your product or service. Don't assume. All prospects are the same. Here it is, mistake 4. You'll be too casual when speaking. Be warm and friendly like you're talking to an acquaintance, but avoid the new trend of using tactical tone to open the call. It sounds like short, rapid bursts of conversation in the opening. Hey, Sally. Pause, waiting for Sally to answer. She'll probably say, who is this? Hey, I know this is crazy getting a cold call on a Friday afternoon. They actually say to chuckle. How are you? Honestly, this will not work if you're cold calling a CEO or a VP. It'll sound like you're not serious about the call and you'll be perceived as a time waster. If I got a call like that, I'd hang up. Now be sure and subscribe because I'm testing 2 cold call openers I want to share with you. So hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted when the video is published. And remember, sales is a journey, not a quick trip around the block. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.